my name is Samantha, and this is the Seal, the rugged tablet from Back USA. Today, we're at the Erie County Fair, which is celebrating 150 years in Hamburg, New York. I'm here to research some tech vendors at the iHub, a newly created innovation center here at the fair. I'm going to use the Seal and Microsoft tools to find the iHub and conduct my research. I just pulled up a map of the fairgrounds in Microsoft Edge. So now I'm going to use my inking tool to figure out where we're going next. So it looks like right now we're on Broadway, but we want to get to the iHub, which is in the show place here. So it looks like we're going to have to walk around the grandstand to get there. All right, let's get going. At the iHub, where I'm researching potential partners for Back USA. Fortunately, many of these vendors specialize in education technology, manufacturing, and community service. In other words, they're great for our business. So I've already created a list in Microsoft Excel of all the vendors who share a commitment to technology and education. So now I want to share with my team as soon as possible. I'm going to hit send on this, and then we're all set. As a bonus, you can get the Seal with accessories like this shoulder strap to make your job even easier, especially when you've got your hands full. Are you hungry for more? Visit backusa.com/seal. See you later.